Hello everyone. Welcome back. I quickly want to show you a breakdown of some parts of the live Makosa praise I did. I got some requests to break down um, a groove in 2 minutes 30 seconds by Miracle, Eromosele, and the La Groove in I think 7 minutes by Noble. Right, so um, guys, I just want to say thank you for the comments, thank you for the request. So let me quickly break it down. So if you've not watched the video, you can go down and watch the video, the live Makosa praise. You can drop your own request. I'll look for a way to do it. Okay, then so 2:30. I think it's like this. So I'm playing in key of F sharp. So I think it goes like this. So I was playing it kind of fast. My right hand, is doing something like this. Sorry. So do, la, so, re, fa, re. That's the 1, 6, 5, 2, 4, 2. Then the si, la, so, re, fa, do. That's 7, 6, 5, 2, 4, 1. Just like that. So you want to start with the 1. Let's try that in the key of C. So we started with the 1, then we jumped an octave. So let's see. Let's do it here. Sorry. Alright, then my left hand is doing left hand. Sorry. So I think I'm hitting the 4 the same time with this. So you can play either the 1 or the 3 before you start. So the 1, 3, 5, that's do mi so, re fa, 2 4, or sorry, the 5, the lower 5. Then you do it again. 2 5 2 4 So that's it for the groove I played in that Makosa praise. It just came. It's not that I crammed it. It's just an improvisation. Then the second one was the la groove. I think this one is very simple. Then right, so I'm just playing around. Okay, so it's like this. The first one. La do ti. Sometimes you can end with it. La do ti la do so. Or you can just play the same thing with the left hand. Then the other part I was playing I think I've done this grooves before. I've done a tutorial on them before. You can check them out and my videos. So 3, 6, 1, 7, back to the 6. So these are things you could do or you can do on the 6. There's another common one. This is 3, 5, 6. That's so la la so mi re. Alright, so when the praise song is in the 6, you can throw in these grooves, anyone you like. So don't forget to subscribe, like the videos, drop your comments. If there's any request, any tutorial request you want me to do, you can write it down in the comment and I'll try my best to do it. Thank you and God bless you.